Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Chainlink. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Chainlink, and especially my friends, the interesting question of holders. What will be the price of Chainlink in 2030? Let me show you the price of Link coin in 2030. But before starting this video, I request all of you to please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, the currently latest price of the Chainlink in the market is 23.66 USD dollar. 23.66 USD dollar is the latest price of the link in the market. And on the other hand, if we look the changes occurs in the Chainlink, so now you can see here positive 8.37%. 8.37% the price increase just in the last one day, in the last 24 hours. So my friends, if these kind of changes continue in a Chainlink for 1 month, for 2 months, for 1 year, so my friends, there is no doubt that Chainlink will going to hit a 100 USD dollar in a 1 month. My friends, the price of the Chainlink will be 170 USD dollar in 2030. In 2030, the price of Chainlink will be 170 USD dollar. That's my prediction about Chainlink. You can see here absolutely Chainlink taking a huge pump, and they will make you millionaire, no doubt. Anyways, if you agree with me, like this video and subscribe my channel. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.